Hello and welcome to Ahorn Mülheim. This is a main dealer of Ahorn. This is the 660 plus motorhome. It's 660 centimeters long, 234 centimeters wide, and 296 at its highest point. Put it on a 3.5 ton basis and you'll have around 350 kilos of payload or something like that, around that area. And the thing is about this vehicle though, it's a sleep 6 and 660 centimeters. It doesn't seem like a particularly good idea, but let's have a look. So if you so you got the bed up there, which will drop down, and I'd love to show you it dropping down, only I can't, even though, because I've got the key, which is normally the problem, but today it's no electricity, so I can't actually. There's the key, just to make the point. Key goes in here. Turn it to firing position. There's no, and the 12 volt. I tried to turn the 12 volt on, but it's not on. Anyway, even though I bet somebody says, well, the cable's plugged in, yeah, but there's no power to the cable. So you can make a bed down here as well, and we've got this double bed here, side bed at the back. Here we've got a toilet, and behind that there is the washroom, the shower. And there's a big mirror. You can see yourself in the mirror from inside. And down here we've got the sink coming out here into the kitchen. 3 burners. Oh, I'll tell you what, let's just make this a little easier to see. So let's just close this by the blind. That might make it a bit easier. Nice sunny day. Big sink. Oh, I like a big sink. And down here we've got some storage, and here we've got a fridge. 3-way fridge means it runs off gas as well. A bit of storage above the bed, up there, reading lights, and here we've got storage in there as well. And there's also this very big wardrobe down here, which is currently being used to store some stuff for vehicles which are here. But it's a very large storage unit, a wardrobe. I always feel that when the front seats don't turn around, it's a bit of a waste of space, but in a case like this, why would you turn them around? Now I'm standing under the bed. What's the headroom like? Let's have a look. Quite a lot. That's not bad. No complaints on the subject of headroom under the bed. Let's have a look around the outside. So because of the toilet being at the back, there's not really much in the way of external storage. I mean, you can't, this bit here under the bed, and the boiler. Oh, sorry, the boiler isn't in there. Yes, it is. The boiler's in there. And to that blue thing down there, that is the how you dump the water from your fresh tank when you want. If it's going to be cold, you're going to leave it for a long time, or it will even dump itself if the temperature drops below 4 degrees internally. That's to protect the boiler. So that's a 660 plus with a bed in the roof. There are other designs. I'll just take you around quickly. We'll have a quick look at a couple here. All of them are very similar in price. So in this case here, bed up there. This is a shorter van, this is only a 6-meter van. Side bed. So this, it says that this vehicle will soon be available. Now, this one here is another 6-meter, but this one here has got an overcab, as you can see. So we've got steps, ladder to get into the overcab, and at the back we've got a widthwise bed. This one here sleeps 4. Kitchen is the same, just about, because some have a round sink and others have a square one. This one's got a particularly large washroom. And there's your Truma heating, which in this case you don't hardly have to get out of bed to operate it. Now going up in size again, so we've got a 660 centimeter vehicle here, 640 centimeter, and this one here has a 646 centimeters. Sorry, I've got the bed there, got a bed. This can be made into a bed down here, but at the back it's got this huge washroom, dressing room, storage cabinet, wardrobe, and shower. So this, for those needing a bit more space to get dressed in, this could be the one to go for. And here we have a 690 plus and a 7-meter vehicle. 690 plus doesn't have a cab over, so I'll take you inside and just have a quick look. Got a bed up there in the ceiling. And that's a double bed. That's what I call the German layout. So this is what it looks like without a cab over. But it also can have a cab over. Here's the one with the cab over. This one is more or less the same. And well, at the back it is anyway. There you go. There's the bed up there. There is a significant difference in fuel consumption with the cab over. This one hasn't got the German layout made up, so you could make it up as it was in the previous vehicle. Here in this case the mattress is up here and that will come down here. And as you can see, there's lots of other vehicles here as well. So I hope you found that of interest, and if you did, then you might want to subscribe I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest selection of motorhomes on the internet. But for the moment, from me in Germany and Ahorn, Mülheim, thank you very much for watching. All the best from me. Hope you found that interesting. Bye for now.